Hello, we are Team Case Mavericks. My name is Save, and I'll be joined today by Isabel, Francis, and Arya. We are here to address a critical issue. How can MYOB leverage blockchain to enhance communication between SMEs and third parties, thus reducing customer churn? We have identified key issues that current MYOB SMEs face with regular contracts. Delayed invoice updates lead to customers receiving outdated or incorrect billing information. This can cause a lot of confusion and frustration between SMEs and their bookkeepers, which can damage trust and harm customer relations. Additionally, traditional contract management relies on inefficient manual processes, making it very time consuming for SMEs to retrieve, review, and update contracts in digital systems. These challenges can result in high customer churn as customers may tend to seek more efficient alternatives. Why did we decide to focus on contracts? We have identified that 82% of businesses cite cash flow problems as a leading cause of failure. Often, these issues will stem from invoicing issues. MYOB's current platform offers inefficient solutions for contracts, which leads to such cash flow challenges. By automating and improving accuracy of the invoicing process, MYOB enables more reliable communication between SMEs and their bookkeepers. This improves cash flow, builds trust, and increases satisfaction between SMEs and their financial advisors, and fosters stronger business relationships. Take, for example, here Sarah. Sarah is a small business owner. She relies on manual invoicing to bill her accountants and bookkeepers. She spends a significant amount of time in creating and correcting those contracts, which can often lead to mistakes as she is quite busy with other tasks. These errors could lead to back and forth communication with clients, consuming very valuable time and energy which she could be spending managing her business. This inefficient process not only frustrates Sarah, but also impacts her ability to maintain a smooth and professional relationship with her clients.
So, now I'm excited to introduce our innovative solution for SME owners like Sarah. Our solution leverages smart contracts to revolutionize invoicing and payment processes. By automating transactions and ensuring they execute only when certain conditions are met, we minimize disputes and enhance efficiency. Integrating our solution with MYOB systems, our solution uses blockchain technology to record transactions securely and immutably, boosting trust among SMEs and bookkeepers. This seamless integration streamlines payments and fortifies relationship with vendors and customers.
So what is blockchain? It's a decentralized technology through the use of ledgers. Transactions through these ledgers are accurately recorded and can't be altered retroactively. You can think of it as a notebook that everyone can see. Once something is written inside, it can't be changed or erased. This makes it very trustworthy for money transfers or contracts. All in all, it has the potential to give customers an easier experience while doing business, as it promotes transparency and security.
Blockchain is at the forefront of data security and automation technology, but it is widely underutilized. Our solution will uniquely integrate with MYOB's API and enhance the efficiency and collaboration abilities of MYOB's customers. Here's the design overview that we propose. You can see it is easy for customers to recognize the contracts their network has invited them to. They can overview the terms and then accept or reject the contract. As well as this, they can look into the contracts that they currently have active, as well as investigate their previous contracts, which serve as their automatic audit trail. Now, let's check back in Sarah with how she's doing now that she has smart contracts. With her accountant, they can create a digital contract which they can both sign before the accountant begins work. The contract terms are automatically encoded on the blockchain. The accountant can then mark when they have completed the task. At this point, Sarah's invoice is automatically generated. This saves Sarah so much time as she doesn't have to overview the contract terms again, and it also saves time for her accountant who knows they won't have to follow up with the invoice. This is great for both parties, making their relationship function seamlessly. Finally, both of their records on MYOB is updated automatically so that their audits are secure.
Our implementation of smart contracts will happen over several periods. The first being initial research. Here, we're analyzing stakeholder needs and where our software fits within the market. We're also checking the security and legal position before development actually begins. This will finalize our final proof of concept, which will take roughly 3 to 4 months. The code development stage will take 6 to 8 months, where we create the main architecture being implemented. We look into public blockchain platforms such as Ethereum and check the compatibility of APIs and MYOB's current user interface. Customers will have the option to participate in our beta rollout, where we collect feedback of the smart contracts in action for the first time. This is where we also educate MYOB employees on the new systems in place. The full development of smart contracts will see a continuation of employee training alongside marketing efforts to attract attention. There will also be ongoing support and maintenance for the software. The total implementation time will take between 15 and 20 months. The long-term goals of MYOB is to track the increased automation efficiency alongside data analytics and sales growth. There will also be extensions of blockchain technology for future MYOB business updates. In order to prevent customer churn, we're extending the efficiency of MYOB's current subscription business model. Business Pro and Lite users will have access to 10 smart contracts per month, while Account Right allows for an infinite amount. Subscription costs will remain unaffected.
As we begin to investigate tech stacks, Ethereum is a great choice. It already provides the security as well as the automatic audit trailing that we desire. As well as this, it has many extensive frameworks designed around smart contract development that we can utilize. We recommend using MYOB's existing API and creating middleware between Ethereum, our front end, and our database. We believe the best database options are things such as MongoDB connecting to AWS, as these are known for their scalability, flexibility, and document-oriented approach.
So now, onto the finances. We start by looking at the current environment that MYOB operates in. According to research, business reports, and MYOB Business Monitor 2024, SMEs are actually facing significant pressures due to rising operating costs, with 58% noting increased expenses compared to last year. Despite these challenges, SMEs actually showed really good resilience. 40% had steady revenue, while 30% expected a decline in the next 12 months, but startups are actually cautiously optimistic, expecting revenues to increase due to their agility and recent market entries, as well as the market starting to grow at a significant rate. In terms of this project of developing smart contracts for MYOB, the initial development will require a substantial investment of $2 million. This includes $800,000 for blockchain technology, $600,000 for integrating smart contracts within the MYOB structure, and $400,000 for the user interface design. And on top of that, a $200,000 contingency fund for any other expenses that are added. And once the smart contracts have been implemented, there will be ongoing operational costs. These will be $250,000 per year and an annual maintenance and update, $300,000 for user support and training, $150,000 per year for marketing and communication efforts, which is overall $700,000 for the first 5 years. We know that this is a pretty high investment, however, the financial benefits are strong. By implementing smart contracts, we believe MYOB can reduce administrative costs by 10%, saving approximately $5 million annually. Additionally, minimizing disputes and enhancing transaction security can reduce customer churn by about 10%, resulting in an approximate $5 million in retained revenue per year. Finally, improved trust and efficiency are expected to generate an extra $2 million annually, leading to a total projected annual financial benefit of $12 million. Finally, the financial structure to fund this project. MYOB can allocate $1 million from retained earnings and operational cash flow that are already inside of the business. And then an additional $1 million can be sourced through a term loan, line of credit, leveraging favorable interest rates when possible. This ensures financial stability while maintaining operational flexibility.